The Samson Cree Child Wellness building is 17,500 square feet, built in Calgary, shipped here to site, and completed in approximately 7.5 months. And it replaces a building that was old and worn down and tight fitting in the old building as well.
This is one of the foundational building blocks. We were in the older buildings that were struggling with mold issues and pigeons and all sorts of other things, and for them to come here, you see them happy. So obviously if they're happy, they're going to be a better service to our children and community. And it all starts with this wonderful building that got built here.
Well, one of the things that we wanted in this building is we have a cultural room, and so in that cultural room, we needed to have the option for smudging, and so there needed to be a separate ventilation system that didn't affect the rest of the building. They went over and above to create a separate system so that it didn't, if they were smudging in there, you didn't smell it in the rest of the building, and it was able to be healthy and safe and also meet code.
It's hard to keep your work here, especially when you're very compassionate people.
So showing and putting that investment into our staff and into the community, it really gives more pride to the community. So it really shows us moving forward into directions. We're not just building businesses, but we're building safe environments for our staff. It's very exciting to come in every day when we have our board meetings, to have it just reminds us of how much work we did and how thankful we are to be here.